Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L3110 printer driver in Windows 11, Windows 10 or any other Windows operating system by the simplest way. First of all, just go to the any web browser. Here just type Epson L3110 printer driver and hit enter on keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open that link. This link is in the YouTube description. Also open that link. And Epson website is open. Just scroll down. Here we find operating system and it is automatically detect your operating system, but it is not available drivers for the Windows 11. So it is redirect me to the Windows 10 and Windows 10 drivers 110% work on the Windows 11. And if you want to change your operating system, just go to the here and change your operating system. I am going with the Windows 10 64-bit. Just scroll down and here we find our drivers. Here is our drivers. Just select that and here we find two drivers. First is for our printer and second is for our scanner. Just download these two drivers. Just go to the here download, right click on it, open it and accept it, and I am saving it on the desktop. Okay, now just go to our website once again. Here is our scanner drivers. Close it. Just go to the download, right click on it, open. Just go to the scanner, accept it and download it on the desktop. So minimize it. Our scanner drivers is downloading. Close it. Here is our printer driver and here is our scanner drivers. So simple way is just double click on this file .exe file. Click on yes. Now it is installing our printer. If you want to set up default printer, then select here and always check this automatically update software. Just check this and click on the OK. Click on English. If you want to change language, then change language from here. I am going with the English. Click on OK. Agree all terms and conditions and click on the OK. And if you get this message, then just attach your USB cable to your printer. I am going with the manual and just select USB 001. If this message is appear, then go to the USB 001, okay, or 001, 002, 003, any USB port, okay, and click on the OK. Now it is installing our printer. Click on OK. Now our printer is installed. Now just install our scanner. Just go to our scanner, double click on it, click on yes, click on next, agree, accept, next. Now it is installing our scanner. Okay, finish. Now we are going to check our printer is installed or not. That is very easy. Just go to the start, just type control panel, click on the control panel. Here we find devices and printers. Just click at here, just scroll down and here we find Epson L3110 series printer. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install Epson L3110 printer driver in Windows 11, Windows 10 or any other Windows operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.